When Haitians use navigation.
Can you take me to Wemson and Winthrop, please?
Excuse me.
Wemson and Winthrop.
I can't find Wemson.
Oh my gosh, that's by Watland.
I can't find Whatland either.
Oh, Footla.
When West Indians try to use the navigation.
More directions to go Utica and Glen Street.
Do you mean Glenwood?
No, I want to tell you, no wood right here, sir. Glen Street.
Fire for that.
That me a talk about.
When Indians use navigation.
You tell me to make the left, right? Make the left, now you tell me to make right.
No, I didn't.
This is stupid. Why are they making this thing? This is so dumb.
Not as dumb as you, Habib.
I am not believing this. Insulted I am.
When Africans use navigation.
I need directions for Jamaica Queens.
Calling immigration now.
Hey, I have my papers. I did not say that. I said Jamaica Queens.
You got married for a green card.
Hey, you cannot prove that.